Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start creating your own posts. Okay, so obviously now that you've got a good foundation, you've learned how to add your pages to your site, you've learned how to add content to those pages, you've learned how to put your logo up here, all that cool stuff. Everything's sort of starting to come together. You've got the basic color layouts, so your foundations start to look a little bit better. Okay, so now we can start thinking about adding some blog posts. Alright, once again, what we need to do is I'm just going to show you quickly how a post actually looks. So this is, if I click into here, this is your title up here. Okay, this is the set featured image. This here, this is just all the content. Okay, so I've embedded a video inside this post, and then I've put a little shortcode here, which is a thesis box. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So we come back here to the WordPress dashboard, we go to posts, and you're going to click add new. Now that's going to take you through to that page again that looks like a little word processing area. Okay, I'm going to make a little post here. It's going to be called sneaky peek at the My Website Works blog. Okay, just a little video I put together earlier, just so you can see what's going on. You just leave that there, and once again that's going to change your permalink. Okay, so you can edit this if you want to maximize your search engine optimization. Alright, but just for now we'll just leave it. For now what we're going to do is start adding some content. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just to make things easier, I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to paste that there. So in this video, so you can see how it all works, and then just keep adding your content down through here. So just type away like you would normally in Word. You can utilize bold, italics, strike throughs, all this stuff, numbers. You can center your text. And just like I showed you before, you can do your links. Alrighty. Just for now though, I'm going to show you how to embed a video as well. So what you need to do is, obviously, let's just say we're in YouTube. You're looking at a video that you want to embed in your post. You need to come here and you need to click share, and that's going to give us this little code here. Just copy that code, and you're going to come back to here and just paste it right there and hit enter. Okay, it looks a bit weird now. Okay, but once we click publish, that's going to be a nice looking YouTube video. Alrighty, and also I showed you before that little box here, which is a thesis box. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this text here, and I'm going to make that for you as well. So we're going to have a little yellow box. I'll show you how to do that. So let's say you want a call to action underneath your video. You want tell them that you want to leave a comment, or any text that you want to use to try and get people to comment below your post. Okay, so what you need to do is click this little box here and click add a box. That's going to give us this little shortcode here. Okay, what you need to do is you add your text in between here. So we just click in here. I've got that text that I copied earlier, so I'm just going to paste that in here. And the next thing you need to do is actually change where it says button color inside these two little, I can't even remember what they're called. Okay, and what you need to do is change this to a color of your choice. There is only a certain amount of colors you can choose. I'll link that up below, but I definitely know that there is a yellow box. Okay, so I'm just going to type yellow in between there. That's pretty basic. Okay, as a post, obviously you can have as much content in your post as you like, obviously, but just as an example, I'm just going to show you like this. To preview your post, to see what how your photos look and how your videos look, all you need to do is come up here and click preview, and that's going to give us a little bit of an example of what it's going to look like. Okay, so it's starting to come together. I've got my content at the top here. I've got my title. This is that video that I embedded, and there's my little thesis box. Okay, with that call to action. All right. Now what you need to do is the steps you need to take to publish this post. Okay, so you remember before how I said we had this featured image here. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to upload that as well and add it to your post. So we come back to where we were before, and what you need to do is you come down here where it says featured image, set featured image. You're going to click that, and this is where we're going to upload a file. Okay, so we go select files. What we're going to do, I'm going to go just off my desktop, and I'm going to come down here where we build a blog. Actually, put it here. Here we go. So this is just a PNG file. So I'm going to double click that, and that's going to upload straight to my set featured image. Waiting for it to load. Okay, and what we need to do is click set featured image. Okay, it's not going to show up here. Okay, but when we publish the post, it's going to show up. Okay, so if you've done that step, that's what's going to come up. Alrighty. A few other things you can do as well is for SEO stuff is actually add your title in here, but just for now I'll show you just how to put the post together. Alrighty, that's pretty much it to make your own posts. What we need to do from here is we just need to click publish. Alrighty, so I'm going to publish this post just so you can see, and then I'm going to delete it afterwards. So I'm going to click publish, and what you'll find is it'll come up here, post published pretty soon. Here we go, and then from here just have a little look, view post. Alrighty, so that's looking pretty good now. So I've got my title, I've got my featured image, and my content underneath with my video and my call to action. So that's looking pretty cool. Alright, and just so you can see as well, that automatically updates this to your home page. So if I go back to my home page, I should have a brand new featured post at the top. So it's always going to show here what post that you've published last. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, that does that automatically. Alrighty, so that's a pretty cool little feature. I'll show you how to set up this as well so it looks nice and clean. Alright, but that's how you add your own posts. Super simple. So now you can start adding some content to that side of yours. Okay, so I hope that video helped, and in the next video we're going to be starting to have a look at stuff in the sidebar and just a few more design improvements. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next video.